Hey guys, you cannot create price-specific alerts directly within Google Finance. Google Finance is for tracking stocks and portfolios, but it does not have built-in notification capabilities. However, you can use this method, right? So go ahead to your stock or crypto, whatever, right? Let's say I'm gonna go ahead to the S&P 500, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit follow, right, and add it to my watch list. Okay, and now I added S&P 500 to my watch list, and I'm gonna receive an updated news from Google Finance, specifically on the topic of S&P 500 and the newest updates, the dump and pump and all that stuff. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.